This Melbourne penthouse costs $30 million, but it's not just a home, it's a private skyline kingdom. Located high above Melbourne's CBD, this ultra-luxury penthouse redefines what elite living means in Australia. From panoramic city views to hotel-level services, here's why this penthouse carries a $30 million price tag. The penthouse sits in one of Melbourne's most exclusive towers, surrounded by high-end dining, private clubs, and five-star hotels. In Melbourne, location alone can add millions to a property's value, and this address is as elite as it gets. Spanning thousands of square feet, the interior features floor-to-ceiling glass walls, custom Italian finishes, and architecture designed to feel more like a private resort than an apartment. Every detail was designed to maximize space, light, and privacy. Inside, you'll find a private elevator, smart home automation, marble flooring, a chef-level kitchen, and spa-style bathrooms. This isn't luxury for show, it's luxury for daily living. The real magic begins outside. With panoramic views of Melbourne's skyline, the Yarra River, and distant ocean horizons, the Terrace alone is worth millions. Few people in Australia wake up to views like this. Owners enjoy 24/7 concierge, valet parking, private security, and access to residents-only lounges, pools, and spas. This level of privacy and service is why Australia's elite choose penthouse living. Properties like this aren't bought to impress. They're bought to escape noise, crowds, and limitation. Buyers are usually business moguls, international investors, or celebrities who value privacy over publicity. In a city where space is rare and views are priceless, this Melbourne penthouse stands at the top, literally. Subscribe for more inside looks at Australia's most luxurious homes